smell the ram goat tail.
This is a real Christmas tree. Okay, good.
Original spots, girling. Y'all have love in our zipper and our clock. So don't know the clock. I saw you go, you see it.
Look at that.
That is it, you know?
Hillz adventure. Go up in the papes. Back at it again, you know? Hillz adventure vlog. Gonna say Hillz adventure vlog.
See how more lang. Come on, this is your
And me say greedy. Hillz adventure vlog. Subscribe and like, share the video.
Listen to me voice and me say listen to me. Listen to me start to dog in my MC.
What you cooking today, sir?
Mannish water, goat head and foot and tail and head and skin.
This every part I goat.
Yeah.
So we are putting up at there now.
There's some pumpkin, carrot, cocoa, leaf of yam.
Okay. So this is the first set of ingredients going in the pot now.
Yeah, we're gonna put the
Let me see it. Let me see it.
we're gonna put the
Let me see it. Let me
goat
see
head
it.
and skin in it now.
Okay, you pressure it in the
Already
pressure cooker already.
Pressure already.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So you are going with it now.
And the head and tail,
me see
head
it.
and skin and the foot.
Oh, look it now.
Yeah, man. Smells so good.
Yeah.
Can smell the ram goat tail. Yes, man, that is it.
Yeah, that's it.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Hillz Adventure. Today is my mom's birthday. She says she don't want to go out, she don't want to have no party, she don't want to do nothing big today. She just wants some good food to eat. So we are cook her do some outdoor cooking and give her some nice authentic Jamaican food to eat for her birthday. So stay tuned and see what we have on the menu, alright? So this is one of the key ingredients for Mannish water, and a lot of people don't do it anymore. Chip the banana and put it in the soup. This is the traditional way of making Mannish water. So once you strip it, you just slice it up and add it to the pot. Yeah, the boss?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And the soup smell good already, like say you can't eat. But them a ball out in there, sir.
Woman water. Everything a Mannish water. Woman water, we are boys.
This is one we take care of a girl in chuck, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, for the country around them, you know? And then I told say I want a local go to buy. I want the new fashion one there.
Local goods. And casa. Okay. Yeah, man, just thin slices, yeah, man. Okay. So the things said to the people in the outdoor kitchen, you know? Connect with nature, meanwhile they cook a traditional Jamaican meal. You can hear the birds them in the background. They're in the hills, you know. Beautiful, lush, green vegetation all around us. So I'm making a special fruit cake for my mom today. See there? Yeah man, then I hope my go and bake. Make sure the end result when it finish. It's almost ready still. Now I want to dry out too much, so soon take it out. So today we are keep it authentic and traditional now. So what we have here is
Soursop juice.
yeah man, we are deal with Soursop juice, the traditional way. We're now blending by using hand and juice it in the basin. So show you how you deal with it. So you just squeeze it out in the water. Squeeze it out in the water and you get the juice. Show me we have Soursop pantry right here, so 1, 2, so next one over there, so yeah man, so we do here a juicy Soursop right under the Soursop tree where come off. So how long this take? If you get out all the juice out of it?
About 10 minutes.
And then after you juice out like this,
Strain it out.
you strain it. Alright. Get out, separate all the things them when you don't want in the juice. And you go show me how you sweeten it, right?
Yeah.
And what else you going to put in there?
You can put milk and you can put orange or lime.
Okay.
Or you can put condensed milk or whatever.
Okay. Yes man, juice it out. So nothing is not going to waste. Pig is going to get this. So now it's time to mix it and sweeten it. Main ingredients: brown sugar, nutmeg, and condensed milk. So what you gonna do first? Do you do man?
That's what this is.
Everything that you are mixing? You are mixing? You must know what you do. So you add in sugar. Eh? Yeah. Condensed milk. Condensed milk helps to keep it creamy, maintain the color. Yeah man, look at that, and don't forget this amazing spice. So some people had like jug and stout, Guinness and anything to eat, but since as the birthday lady don't drink alcohol, we not go at anything like that. So I drink it just like this. Yeah, man. So this is the Soursop juice. Taste it. Very nice. Have that little sour taste and at the same time sweet. You taste the nutmeg in it. You taste the condensed milk. Great combination. I guess you like it more creamy. So when time this go in the refrigerator, go in the freezer, we serve when time it's flaky. Yeah man, now it's have this flake on top of it. Almost like ice cream. So the boss have season up in pot now. In scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper and garlic. And get your cock soup mix them. So I'm going with the cock soup mix them now. See that's your one there. So I'm gonna give it a nice stir now. So everything mix well. So this type of soup is not going to have a lot of food in it. Taste it now and see what I go and feed. You go and boil out night and see how it tastes. Can it taste fresh to me still?
Yeah.
Can add some seasoning salt. Seasoning salt going in. And you see I want some Maggi season up. All purpose. Alright. What you smell it? What you gonna? Soup is ready. So next thing we're going to do is jerk some chicken. So we get the fire, get the coal lit, and next we're going to put some chicken on the grill.
Pepper, everything blend out.
Let me see. Let me see. Daddy, let me see.
I see the blend. Nice. Thank you very much. Yes.
Oh, shit. Happy birthday, Brian and Grandma.
Yes, look at that. That is my production.
No, it's called Brian. It's cake.
How is the cake, birthday lady?
Delicious real Christmas cake. Cake good.
Don't buy your son, That's my present to you.
Right here.
Your birthday.
Thank you very much.
The time for your sample your original Soursop juice.
I'm gonna put in this color.
The brown sugar. Them know you're not gonna drink off so much still.
It's good.
Yes, sir. Your chicken name ready, huh? One a piece of leg and thigh. My favorite pieces, huh? Leg and thigh, yeah, man. They're already in there, can't take them out now. Yes, people, look how delicious this looks. This is gonna be so crunchy and delicious and very spicy. Curry coconut shrimp. Welcome back, people. We are here in the up in the mountains, and we are go fishing. We have a long trek hiking through some very rough terrain to reach the stream. So when we reach in the river, stay tuned with that part. I'll get some river fish, mullet and perch, tilapia, sandfish, that type of fish, isn't it? So stay tuned, people. Just love the adventure, you know, we're not a fisherman now, but we do it for the adventure. Hiking, it's a very long hike, at least 3-hour walk. Yeah, man. I think we're the halfway journey now. Stay tuned. Okay. When
See one galang over there, so see one shut up right here. See one this. You see the engineer? See man die bush there. Goat dog them, you know?
we can't see them.
See now.
Woke up on some wild dog in our bush, you know?
Come on. See now.
Oh.
A goat them all look, you know. I mean, can't go and shoot him, man. Asha.
Nah, move, man.
Hold on, so I'm brave, so.
I can't then with it.
Now, let me keep it there, know, then I'll come bombard them. Share them.
There's people reaching the river, you know? They are with Kishmar and Lanry. That is it. Finally reaching the river coast. We do some fishing today. See much fish we can take out there today, you know? Yeah, man. Yes, up. See, you take out something already?
Yeah, fun.
What do you mean? But I throw him back in, good luck, you know?
I remember we fell on everything 50 lines down here. Anything 50 lines, anything small line.
What do you mean?
You mean that trouble?
Where's there, laddie?
Oh.
Give me line, go set up for me.
Huh?
Go set up for me.
What line? You know what I'm right to sit down here for it?
Yeah, people with their legendary Lanry, you know? Yeah, man, normal, you know?
Yeah, man.
Watch out. Man just reach and he take out on 3 out tight already and he just reach. Talk to me, much you say I catch today?
140.
Alright, my boss. The man just come in the river right now, the man take out around 5 already. Good thing about them place that people, nobody can overfish cause we alone come and say, you see me, so we not give a location neither. Full little spot this, you know? Then ready to fish, we can take out fish. Nice place that you can see. You're shot, man. Man, up on a roll.
You told me the one to jam up. You take it up.
I don't see where you line.
Line in a one fish more.
Alright. Alright.
Where's the line? Where's the line?
There's a land here, legend.
Relax.
Huh? Yes, sir. Bakayo, see the Bakayo. Legendary Lanry. Hold on, take him off it.
So, from here, you can't take one neck. You know what I'm saying?
What is it? Tilapia.
Yeah,
Perch.
man. So it's set, you know?
What you going already? 110?
Or 1 dozen.
Not bad at all, people. This like one day I feel big fish. You say Kishmar 2 1 time?
first one, isn't it?
Yeah man, first go on a two and take out people one time. Just throw my antenna so I see where I go, you know? Yeah man, nice one.
Nice one. Original Sparks, brawling. Y'all have love in our super and our clock. So don't know the talk. Yeah man, back at it trips. Back at it again, you see it? Oh, tandem.
People who want to know if a sunfish this or a tadpole. Tadpole or a sunfish. You still feel like a tadpole, huh? You find him good. How? You look like you found out nothing. Well slimy.
Well slimy, you're fit.
I think clean. Eh?
Yes people, this is my first one. Small still but I'm not letting go, you know. So like your first fish you catch, you dash where you look. So I keep him aside. Yeah man. Yes people, that's the second one. Second one for me, you know. And they are picking up people more and try to catch one live. I couldn't see. You see me? Yeah man. That is it, see me? Showing us I take them out for real. Yeah man.
You know, we not slap me if you have to go mix.
Yes, the River King, how you go? Yeah, you.
See, that's how you go, you know.
Yeah, sir.
That's how you go, man. That's how you go, you see it. You must pour it up. They don't say you must pour though.
Look at that.
That is it, you know? Yeah, man. You make your chance.
Yeah, that's great, look. Ishmael go and good same way, no? So the father, so the son. Fire sparks, rod broke, so you must start over. Yeah man. That is good. Yes, the River King. At it again. I'm gonna come up on this. Swing it back out there. Yes, fire sparks.
Back here, sir. We attack the whole body.
Okay.
You should come down here, sir.
Start from over there, sir.
We are walk over with this morning. Yes, I see the one fish of full on my line and now I'm big fish.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, if I know so I'm up focus on the one of them. You must walk down so. Up here again. I want to go down that. I want to go going back.
Nice one.
Principal teach that.
See, I go make rice and peas.
Understand?
Yes, Kishmar.
Yes, fish.
That is it.
That is it. Make Christ and peace.
Too panic.
You touch me.
Wow. Too nice size this kind of man. The man then call the River King. I think I too little.
I want white line.
Yeah, man. So a Black River person we call African perch, you know? Tilapia then. You say Kishma, you at it again.
Same time, look.
You hear, sir? If you want to go back in the water, but you don't go back. I'm going to bucket. Anybody will know where the man name? Comment and me know, you see me? Some may say a mountain sap in here, it resembles Soursop. No ripe it, but I try it out, you know? Yeah, man, so you look there. If anything I in every day, so thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Put up an